properties of triangles. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 21. Last part completed impounded problem 7 marks, altitude model problem. Today discuss one more 4 marks, sometimes coming to the 7 marks problems explained. Show that R1 plus R2 into secant square C by 2 is equal to R2 plus R3 into secant square A by 2 is equal to R3 plus R1 into secant square B by 2. Here these three terms are equal to each other, you can prove. First of all, we have to take first term. What is the first term? R1 plus R2 into secant square A by 2. First, you can find the R1 plus R2 value. R1 plus R2 value you can find by using formula. R1 equal to delta by S minus A formula is not using here. Here angle formula using. What is the formula? R1 equal to 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 plus R2 value is what here? 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Here see students, in this two terms 4 are common and sin A by 2 cos A by 2 not common, cos B by 2 sin B by also be not common, cos C by 2 also be common, cos C by 2 common. You get what students? Sin A by 2 into cos B by 2 plus cos B by 2 into cos A by 2 into sin B by 2. Remaining terms, this term common, this term common, remaining term you can write. Suppose you have to take this is A, this is also B. Suppose you have to take this one is B, this is also B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B formula is there. 4R cos C by 2. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B. A by 2 plus 3 by 2. You can write this one is 4R cos C by 2 into sin of, you have to take LCM to A plus B. You know that A plus B plus equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. Then A plus B equal to 180 minus C. This is the A plus B value. You can write A plus B equal to 180 minus C. 4R cos C by 2 into sin of 180 minus C by 2. You have to separate the numerator. You get what students? 4R cos C by 2 into sin of 180 by 2 minus C by 2. You can write 4R cos C by 2 into 2 ones are 2 90s. Sin of 90 minus C by 2 here. Sin of 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus theta which coordinate? First coordinate sign is positive. 90s are sign can be written as cos C by 2. Here cos C by 2 to cos C by 2, you can write cos square C by 2. That is why you can write 4R cos square C by 2. This is the value of R1 plus R2. After that, you have to take this value R1 plus R2 into secant square A by 2 is equal to R1 plus R2 value is what here? 4R cos square C by 2. Here see here cos square C by 2 into secant square, you can write 1 by cos square C by 2, cos square C by 2, cos square C by 2, get the answer, you get 4R. This is the value of R1 plus R2 into secant square A by 2. This is equation number 1. Similarly, we have to take second one. What is that second one? R2 plus R3 into secant square A by 2. Secant square C by 2, this is A by 2. Here you can find R2 plus R3 in this way. R2 plus R3 same way. That is value what here? 4R into cos square A by 2. Secant square you can write 1 by cos square. Both are cancelled. You get R2 plus R3 into secant square A by 2 value is also be equal to 4R. This total you can find R2 plus R3 value. This value you can find by using in this way. Similarly, you can write next one is what? R3 plus R1 into secant square B by 2. R3 plus R1 you can find in this way same. You get R3 plus R1 value is 4R cos square B by 2. Secant square B by 2 you can write 1 by cos square B by 2. Then both are cancelled. You get R3 plus R1 into secant square b by 2 is equal to 4r. This is equation number 3. From 1 and 2 and 3, these all are equal to 4r. From equation 1 and 2 and 3, you get r1 plus r2 into secant square c by 2 is equal to r2 plus r3 into secant square a by 2 plus r3 plus r1 into secant square b by 2. These all values are equal to 4r. In this way you can do that this problem. This is the example problem. Sometimes this problem comes into the show that a is equal to r2 plus r3 into square root of r into r1 by r2 into r3. This is the first problem. In this first problem, first we have to take RHS part, not LHS part. LHS only one term is there. RHS part is what? R2 plus R3 into square root of R into R1 by R2 into R2. See students, here you can write R2 and you know that R2 equal to delta by S minus B. Formula is there, R2 equal to delta by S minus B. Similarly, R3 equal to formula is there, delta by S minus C square root of, here you know that R value also be R equal to delta by S into R1 equal to delta by S minus C whole by R2 equal to formula is there, delta by S minus B, R3 equal to formula is there, delta by S minus C. See students, in this problem you have to take RHS part. In that RHS part you can write R value is delta by S, R1 value is delta by S minus A, R2 value is delta by S minus B, R3 value is delta by S minus C. You get simplified. Next, in this two term you can common delta 1 by S minus B plus 1 by S minus C into square root of delta into delta you can write delta square by S into S minus A you can write S into S minus A whole by here delta into delta you can write delta square by S minus B into S minus C. After that, here delta square get cancelled. Here see students, delta is once again common, take LCM, S minus B into S minus C is the LCM. S minus B into S minus C is the LCM. We have to take LCM, S minus C plus S minus B. This S minus B multiplied with S minus C, this S minus C multiplied with S minus B. Into square root of reciprocal, this can be as S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus C. Here this S minus B into S minus C goes to numerator, denominator is S into S minus C. Next, here S plus S you can write delta into S plus S you can write 2S minus B minus C whole by S minus B into S minus C, S minus B into S minus C into you can write this value is square root of S minus B into S minus C by square root of S into S minus C. Correct answers? You can separate a numerator denominator, separate a square. After that, this can be written as delta into 2S nothing but A plus B plus C, 2S nothing but perimeter of the triangle A plus B plus C, minus B minus C is there. You can write this one is square root of S minus B into S minus C total whole square into square root of S minus B into S minus C all by square root of S into S minus C. This term is unchanged. This term you can write in place of 2S A plus B plus C. And this A, suppose this is A, this A you can write square root of A square whole square root of A square or not. Here this is A square root get cancelled, you get same answer. Here one square root get cancelled, remaining what? Minus B plus B minus C plus C plus get cancelled. Remaining here delta is there, here is there. Delta is numerator common, denominator square root of S minus B into S minus C is there into square root of S into S minus C is there. Here square root of S minus B S minus C one cancel, remaining one is there. Here one is there. This can be done delta A by square root of A into square root of B square root of A into B. Write down S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. You can write delta into a by this total what students? Square root of s into s minus n s minus b s minus c is what here? Area of the triangle, that is also be delta. This total value is delta. Delta get cancel. You get a. This a is the LHS part. Correct or not, students? What is LHS part? A. You have to take RHS part. You have to use R1, R2, R3, R formulas. You get answer total. Second one. Show that delta is equal to R1 into R2 square root of 4R minus R1 minus R2 whole by R1 plus R2. See students, in this problem, once again you have to take on as what? R1 into R2 into square root of 4R minus R1 minus R2 by R1 plus R2. Here, R1 into R2 similar, square root of 4R. In these two terms, you can common minus, you get R1 plus R2. All by R1 plus R2. We know that already explained previous problem. Already explained in this part previous problem. R1 plus R2 is equal to 4R secant square c by secant square 4R cos square c by 2. This is the formula of R1 plus R2. What is the formula of R1 plus R2? R1 plus R2 equal 4R cos square c by 2. Already explained the previous part problem. By using R1 equal to 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. R2 equal to 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2 formula. This answer. You can write in place of R1 plus R2 this answer. You get what? Here you can write R in place of R1 delta by S minus A, in place of R2 delta by S minus B. Understood or not, students? Understood or not? In place of R1 write down this formula, in place of R2 write down this formula, in place of R1 plus R2 write down this formula. You get 4R minus 4R cos square c by 2 whole by R1 plus R2 value is 4R cos square c by 2. Next we go to delta into delta. You can write delta square into s minus a into s minus b into square root of, in this two term 4R common. In this two term 4R common. Remaining one. Here 1 is there minus here cos square c by 2 is there. Whole by 4R cos square c by 2. Here 4R get cancelled. Remaining one delta square by s minus a into s minus b into square root of 1 minus cos square c by 2, but by the first identity sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, then sin square equal to 1 minus cos square a, that's why 1 minus cos square a you can write sin square c by 2 or by cos square c by 2. You can write delta square by s minus a into s minus b square root of sin square by cos square you can write sin square c by 2 by cos square c by 2 you can write tan square c by 2 square root get cancelled. Remaining what friends? Delta square by s minus a into s minus b into you get right here tan c by 2. You get right here what? Tan c by 2. Tan c by 2 formula is there. Square root formula is there. The area of the triangle delta having denominator formula is there. Numerator formula is there. You can write tan c by 2 formula. Tan c by 2 formula. Delta having denominator formula is what? S minus b into s minus c by delta. This is the formula of tan c by 2. You can write here. You get what? Delta square by s minus a into s minus c. See students here. See nothing but s minus a into s minus c. Write the first tan a by 2. Here tan c by nothing but s minus a into s minus c whole by delta. S minus a, s minus a, s minus a by 1 delta cancel. Remaining delta is there. This is the LHS part. Correct or not, students? What is the LHS part? Delta. These two problems are very important problems. These two problems coming to the 7 marks. This problem only coming to the 4 marks. This is also 4 marks. Two problems come to the 7 marks only. Okay, students, understood or not? In this way you can do that this model problems. Okay.